Folks who were uptown in Jackson Friday afternoon may have passed a man who was protesting in front of the Jackson post office. Joe Billington, member of LaRouche PAC, was in town protesting, claiming that President Barack Obama should be impeached. Billington stated, "We are a political action committee leading the campaign to impeach Barack Obama so that we can rebuild our nation."
Name and phone number so we get back in touch. We're building a network of people that are interested in being patriots here and saving our country and rebuilding our nation. So we're asking people to just give us some contact information so we get back in touch with them. And we're raising money. We're asking people to contribute a little bit. But you got a video there. We got this report. Obama's war on America. Here's Obama in bed with Al Qaeda in Libya and Syria. You know, they send weapons to the drug pushers in Mexico. And they send weapons to Al Qaeda in Libya and Syria, and they want us to, bail out the banks. We're saying no bailout, and you got to stop the funding terrorism.
Billington also spoke about Linda LaRouche, 90, who was an early advocate of space-based weapons and the Star Wars program. Billington stated that if we would have pursued the Star Wars program fully, we would have laser beam defense that would be able to knock down missiles, and that we would be able to create a protective laser shield around the country.